What is up, YouTube? Today I have a short video for y'all. We're gonna wash my truck. I'm gonna wash it and show y'all how I'm gonna prep it for paint correction. I'm gonna show y'all the stuff I use. This is the stuff that I use is what I used usually to wash my truck. But this time I am gonna clay it. I don't know if I'm gonna show off claying it off on this video or the video where I actually do the paint correction. Y'all see if I do it or not, obviously. But in today's video, this is my regular routine in washing my truck. So I'm gonna show you my process. This is not saying that it's the correct way or the only way. This is how I do it effectively with the stuff that I have already. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the things that I use regularly on all my when washing my truck is, so this is a degreaser. This is basically just to knock off any like dirt or grime that it has stuck on the truck. So I dilute it 10-to-1 to the pump sprayer. I'm not sure how many. I think it's 10-to-1. I did this a while back, so I just know that it's 6 ounces of this in here, and then the rest is water. So for this, I use it on the paint and on the wheels or on the tires. To clean the tires, I use a brush and just scrub it. Y'all see in the video. And then it's super effective. So I like using for both. And then to actually wash the truck once I'm done. So this is basically just like a pre-rinse. So this is the actual soap. It's Chemical Guys. I also have another one from Meguiar's, and then another Chemical Guys one. The other two, they're basically given to me, so I just use them. So I've been using this one. So I bought this off Amazon. Well, I bought both of them off Amazon. I think they were like 12-15 bucks each. Y'all can get whichever. But I have seen that people recommend when y'all get a what's this called? Damn, I forgot what it was called. But they recommend to get a brass like fitting, because it won't like break or anything. So this one specifically, this one's for a power washer. So I do have a power washer. So I'm gonna use the power washer. Y'all can do this with a regular garden hose. Just make sure y'all have an attachment where like it pressurizes the water, so that it can actually like knock off most of the dirt when you're doing the pre-rinse. For the wheels, I do have or for the rims, I do have a cleaner for that, but I am running out, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. I need to check if I still have enough for all 4. If not, then I'm gonna have to buy some, and then I'll just use that for another video. But the Super Clean should work. You can get that at Walmart or anywhere else. I do have another one. It's called Purple Clean or something like that. Purple Power. It's also from Walmart. But this one's almost done, so we're gonna use this one. That's about it. Also for this, it recommends 4 ounces, if I'm not mistaken. It recommends 1 to 2 ounces, but I use 3 to 4, just because I've noticed that when I use a little bit more of ounces, it does produce a little bit more of foam, you could say. Other than that, we're just gonna wash the truck, use a pressure washer, and we'll go from there. So I did forget to mention that I am using multiple brushes to wash my truck, or the rims actually, for bugs, for the actual tire, for the rims, for the fender well, and then this is for the rims as well. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Little quick video. If y'all have any questions on the products, make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.